Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's crypto market update for December 2nd, 2018. Welcome, everyone. We can see basically the market cap coming up back to 136 billion, another familiar level basically we've seen in the last 2 weeks, hovering between the 130 billion and 136 billion. Today, Bitcoin is at the $4,200 level, doing now $41.93. The last 24 hours, we've seen a volume of 15 billion, and the BTC dominance has been at 53.6%. Now, let's look at the top 10. Basically Monero is just going down and down. It's now at place number 12. But if you look at the top 10, everything is in the green. Bitcoin up basically 5%. And if you look at the other altcoins, Litecoin is 8% up. Now, good news is also that Tether is now kind of like stabilized at 99 cents. So that's really good right now. In general. Now, Ethereum still at 118, Bitcoin Cash at 172, and Bitcoin SV at $95. All right, the coins which have done very well in the last 24 hours is Freecoin. It's up 126%. Centrality is up 23%. Waves is up 17%. Huobi token is up 16%, and OneChain is up 13%. The coins which have not done that well, that there are not that many which went down actually. DEX down 7%, Theta token 1.8%, and DAI 0.3%. All right, so let's have a look at the current chart. Basically, Bitcoin USD on the 1-day chart with Bitstamp. We can, so yesterday I talked about the doji, but we have another doji, basically meaning that there is a reversal again. So here we were going up, a reversal to go down, but there's another reversal, and now we can see that the body of today's candle is higher than the doji of yesterday. So let's see if the market is going to recover to the upside, or that we are going to see something to the downside. More importantly, we can see that RSI is back in the 30% range, relative strength index, and the stochastics are just giving a good possibility for a run up. And let's see how this is going to roll. Then let's continue to the news. So TRON is ramping up privacy by adopting zk-SNARKs, which is basically from Zcash. So Zcash is known for their privacy. It's a privacy coin just like Monero. More importantly, Justin Sun said basically they are he's the CEO of TRON. They are looking to implement the Zcash zk-SNARKs cryptography from Q1 2019. So I think still privacy is a big thing. If you look at Monero and Zcash, they've done very well and have been very much a favorite for a lot of people. And by adopting that to TRON, it would definitely give a value add in general. So let's see how this is going to roll. All right, the next news comes from Fanuc. Fanuc and SolidX, the software maker, make a case for Bitcoin ETFs at the latest meeting with the US SEC. So the Securities and Exchange Commission has published a memorandum on November 28 regarding the Bitcoin exchange traded fund proposal. So the application, Fanuc and the software company SolidX basically had given their input. So according to the memorandum, representatives from Fanuc and SolidX, as well from the Chicago Board of Option Exchange, the CBOE, met with members of the SEC's division to look for risk analysis, and other general counsels of trading this ETF. So I think again it's a step forward. There's no real decision as of yet, but I feel that we are coming closer, and maybe could see in the beginning of 2019 a start for ETFs to get traded. All right, so then the last news comes from Estonia. So Estonia, within the European Union, is right now the easiest to get your bank account opened for cryptocurrencies. More importantly, they are amending their anti-money laundering regulations, and that will tighten also on crypto. So today, if you open an account in Europe, for example, with Coinbase, you have to send money to Estonia. So the Ministry of Finance in Estonia has added a regulation to tighten crypto-related regulations, basically. So this has been reported in their local news, but more importantly, it's about the anti-money laundering laws which are getting implemented. So this is something which was not in place in Estonia, and of course they attracted a lot of money to their country, but I think this is because of European Union ECB kind of regulations that they had to tighten it up to now. All right, this was the news for today. Please like and subscribe. Go to our website bitcoinmagazine.nl, and I hope to see you on the next one.